Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove C translation in Instagram bio. Firstly, get up to some account, for example this one, and now as you can see here, this bio is in another language. In this case is in Macedonian language, but my account is related to English language. That automatically gives me a chance to translate this caption or this bio. Now I will go for C translation, and here I'm gonna find out a translation which is in English, which is related also into my account. If I go to my profile section, and if I go on the three dots, then select settings, and then on the search box if I type for language, and here if I change the language for Deutsch or for English, for example, for Deutsch, or for, I don't know, for Espanol, this will bring me to the site which it gonna gives me a translation in that language. For example, if I turn on this to German language, or in German it says Deutsch, if I turn it to German, it will automatically gives me translation in German. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.